Welcome back, Yokes. So, you are here on a market review. So, October 11, 2023. We are here on the dollar index. Weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. So, price was on on a series of bullish candles. So, touch na itong fair value gap, which is sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Touch na yun, and then it's very reasonable para sa dollar index na mag-retrace siya lower. So that's very reasonable, and I'm approach nitong buy side na to, very reasonable nga. So I'm watching this level, which is this weekly fair value gap. It's also a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That's what I'm watching on the weekly time frame. So dito tayo sa daily time frame. So, you can see, touches na yung ating objective. And then, nag-sells off siya. We have here a inefficiency. And then, meron din tayong sell side dito, nagre-side dito. So, kanina, tinweet ko yun sa Twitter na we would like, I would like to see it retrace dito sa inversion natin and then purge na tong sell side liquidity natin, which it did. So, ginawa niya naman. But I'm still not convinced na nakagawa niya na yung kanyang low for this day. So I anticipate the market to go still lower, pero yung objective natin is na met na. So it's better to sit still as we're ahead of a PPI on the economic calendar for our chart. So for our chart, you have here an inefficiency here, and stand lang yan, inefficiency dito. That could be a inversion for value gap, and I still think that the market will go lower. So hindi natin pwedeng i-trade tong dollar index, but we can trade its correlated pairs like euro dollar, pound dollar, this is the cable, or also gold. Let's take a look at gold analysis. Gold. So dito tayo sa gold, dito tayo sa weekly time frame. Sa gold, I still think that the market will purge na tong sell side liquidity na to, but it's very reasonable nga to retrace it higher as we're ahead of CPI. We have fair value gap here, also inversion, then a big inefficiency, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Daily chart. A daily chart, we have here a premium daily fair value gap. You can see that. That's what I'm anticipating for today. It would be nice if hindi niya to i-fill, and then pupunta siya dito sa target natin, and this would act as breakaway gaps. But I think long term draw on liquidity natin is this sell side liquidity. That's the long term. What would negate the idea if fill in niya to, tong gap na to, buo, and then nag-bounce to dito, and then it will run for this buy side. So that will negate the trade idea. So, pwede rin na mag-bounce siya dito sa fair value gap natin, and then punta dito sa ating premium daily fair value gap. So, this is a premium. So, drop nyo lang yung fib nyo from this swing high and this swing low. There. We have here a premium. This is premium, and also this is discount. We, nandito yung ating equilibrium. So, that's how you make to know, that's how you know anong kung nasa premium ba tayo or nasa discount. So, weekly inversion. Punta naman tayo sa 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, meron tayo ditong liquidity void. Ang liquidity void is walang trading na nangyari. So, nag-gap siya. Means walang buy side, walang nag-sell doon o walang nag-buy doon. So, price will gravitate towards that. And meron din tayong old liquidity void dyan, which is this gap. So, I anticipate the market to gravitate towards those liquidity voids here. If it gets overzealous, it will take this buy side and premium daily fair value gap natin. But as this is a CPI week, it's better to not trade this week because CPI typically creates low probability conditions sa market. So, pwedeng mag-bounce siya dito and fill in niya tong liquidity voids and then pumunta dito sa premium daily fair value gap, pero I don't think that's the case. So, a gun to my head, if tatanungin niyo kung ano ba talaga yung as of now, kung ano yung feeling kong take niya, I think kukunin niya tong buy side liquidity, pupunta siya dito, and then as this is a CPI week, so there's a lot of uncertainty sa market and marami din nangyayari geopolitically, so it's better to not trade at all and trade at your own risk. So that's it for our gold analysis. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. So you are here on a weekly chart. So sa weekly chart, meron tayong weekly inversion fair value gap dito. Anticipate the market to go through that, going through this week. Daily time frame. So meron tayong premium daily inefficiency here. And meron din tayong daily inversion fair value gap here. So it would be nice if magre-retrace lower dito yung market and then pupunta dito sa premium daily buy side and balance sell side inefficiency natin. Pero longer term, I think that the market will gravitate towards this relative equal lows. There's a sell side in here and also in here. So long term, I think that Nasdaq will go down. Pero as of this week, di pa ako nakakita ng market information to support that idea. So I still think that we will go to this premium daily fair value gap. So let's go into 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we have here a buy side liquidity, relative equal lows. So going forward from this through this week and this day, I think that the market will gravitate towards that buy side liquidity. 1-hour chart. So 1-hour chart, we have here a 1-hour order block. Yan yung mga levels na tinitingnan ko, and we have here a new week opening gap, which is the closing on Friday and the opening on Sunday or Monday trading. So yun lang yun, that's the new week opening gap. Those are the levels na tinitingnan ko. So until I'm proven wrong, I still think that the market will gravitate towards this buy side liquidity. And pero if the market will pierce through this 1-hour order block, I think that the market will go to this inefficiency. That's it, folks. I hope naka-gain kayo ng maraming insights. Be safe.